listen. So, Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction, aldehydes are participated. In Cannizzaro reaction, aldehydes are participated. Here, aldehydes without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogens, that aldehydes are participated in Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. So, in Cannizzaro reaction, we take 2 moles of aldehyde. Here reactants we take 2 moles of aldehyde, and here same aldehyde we take, okay, in presence of a strong base. Here in presence of strong base this reaction takes place. So 2 moles of aldehyde in presence of strong base, the reaction takes place. In this reaction the products we get are, one is alcohol and another one is salt of carboxylic acid. Here 2 products are formed, one is alcohol, another one salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, so you see one aldehyde is converted into alcohol and another aldehyde it converted into salt of carboxylic acid. So in this aldehyde which converted into alcohol, it is a reduction reaction. So here reduction of reaction takes place, and aldehyde it converted to acid means it is oxidation. So here oxidation of reaction takes place. Okay, you see in a reaction reduction of reaction and oxidation of reaction takes place, it is called redox reaction, and here aldehyde it undergoes reduction and oxidation. Okay, that's why it is an example for disproportionation reaction. So it is an example for disproportionation reaction. Okay, so now here you have to see aldehydes are participated in this reaction without alpha hydrogens, and here oxidation reduction, self oxidation and self reduction takes place. And when you see the products, alcohol and salt of carboxylic acids are the products. For example, I take example as HC-OH, it is formaldehyde. Here we take 2 moles of formaldehyde, HC-OH, 2 moles of formaldehyde. In presence of a base, strong base, we take NaOH or KOH use. In this, one is converted into alcohol. Okay, that's why you get CH3OH. It is a methyl alcohol. And another one is converted into salt of acid, that is HCOONA. It is sodium formate. Here the reactant is formaldehyde. Here formaldehyde it does not having any alpha hydrogens. Okay, so aldehydes which are not having alpha hydrogens that are participated in Cannizzaro reaction. So formaldehyde in presence of NaOH undergoes this reaction, and in this reaction the products are methyl alcohol and sodium formate. Okay, so it is, and here we write some more examples also for this. So in Cannizzaro reaction aldehydes are participated, aldehydes without alpha hydrogens. Okay, and next to take benzaldehyde, C6H5 C double bond OH. Okay, it is a functional group here. Okay, it is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde also participated in this reaction in presence of base OH minus, one converted into alcohol. So we write C6H5 CH2OH, and another one is salt of acid, C6H5 COONA. Okay, and another one you see I take like this, CH3 CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, so you see here it is functional group. This carbon is alpha carbon. Around this alpha carbon alpha hydrogens are oxide. So it is also participated in Cannizzaro reaction. We write like this, C double bond OH. In presence of base, here also one converted into alcohol, CH3 taken 3 times, CH2OH, and another one is CH3 taken 3 times, COOH, like this. Okay, so and here you take another one, furandehyde. So here the formula of, the structure of furan is like this, and here it takes CHO. It is a furandehyde. This furandehyde also participated in Cannizzaro reaction. So we take 2 moles in presence of base. here disproportionation takes place. One converted into alcohol, another one is converted into salt of acid. Okay, so one CHO changes to CH2OH and another compound that is changes to COONE, like this. Okay, so these are the examples for Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, and this these can be taken as an examples for Cannizzaro reaction.